Hello everyone, welcome to Som's Kitchen with me, Som Duri. Today we are going to make bread pizzas. Pizzas have a lot of variety and one of them is a bread pizza. They are very easy and simple to make. So let's make it quickly. For making the bread pizza, first we'll make the pizza sauce. For that, in a bowl we will add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Then in it we will add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. Then we will add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then for some spiciness we will add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. And finally we will add half teaspoon of Italian seasoning and we'll give it all a very nice mix. Whoa, and there you go, your instant pizza sauce is ready. You can make it anytime in just 2 minutes. Next we'll take a round shaped bowl and we'll place it on above the bread and we'll spin the bowl slowly and we'll take a round cutout, and the remaining part of the bread we can use it for making some breadcrumbs or any other bread snacks. You can see that how nice shape our bread has got. Here I am making 3 bread pizzas, so I will be cutting 3 of them. You can cut them as per your choice of amount. Next we will add some toppings to our pizza. Then we will spread the pizza sauce which we made earlier on the bread. Make sure you spread the pizza sauce everywhere on the bread. You can increase or decrease the quantity of the sauce by the way of your taste. We will spread the sauce on all of our breads. Next we will add some chopped capsicum onto our breads. Make sure you cut the capsicum into small pieces. Then we will add some chopped tomato onto our bread. You can also add some red bell pepper. After that we will add some chopped onion. This will give us a very nice flavor. Then we will add some cooked corn kernels. You can also add some more things like cabbage, black olives and many more things. Then we'll sprinkle some of the Italian seasoning onto our pizzas. Now the ingredient you all must be waiting for, the lots and lots of grated cheese. The more cheese you add, the more cheesy flavor you will get. You can add cheese as per your choice. Here you can use processed cheese or even mozzarella cheese. Then we'll keep the pizzas in a microwave safe bowl or a dish and we'll microwave it for 2 minutes on 800 degrees Celsius. And there you go, your bread pizza is ready. You can see that how delicious it looks and you can see all the different colors of the toppings we have added. And you can make it in just 5 minutes. Thank you.